Another trip to Mitchell Courthouse in Baltimore for George Johnson.
It's been a nuisance, running back and forth.
He's done it dozens of times. So has this man, Larry Lawson, all for the same reason: court-ordered restitution. Johnson is a crime victim still trying to collect more than $1,800 from Lawson, convicted of robbing his house back in 2006. Johnson's message to the judge:
I told him I was tired of coming. I've been coming down here for 10 years. It should have been paid off.
A worker at Mike's Chop Shop, a forklift repair business in Eldersburg, describes going to court 15 to 20 times after a judge ordered a former employee convicted of theft to pay restitution of $330,000. So stressed by the ordeal, she wouldn't even go on camera.
I felt defeated every time I walked out of there, and I was sicker and sicker every time. Because you go there and you stand your ground and you say, this time they're going to listen. This time they're going to do what they're supposed to do. This time this man will finally be held accountable. And then you'd walk out of there completely defeated.
She says in 10 years, the company only got $2,000. Finally, the court garnished the man's wages from another job. Independent courier Joe Vollmer also knows the frustration. While making a delivery, a thief stole his car, making him a crime victim.
And as I lunged towards the car, he found the gear shift and pulled off.
Police arrested an 18-year-old. In court, a judge placed the teen on 3 years probation and ordered him to pay $700 in restitution. Vollmer didn't see a dime for 4 years.
Last thing I ever thought I'd see, any part of it. It should be more stringent and more mandatory. The system should be on the defendants more.
But is the system of court-ordered restitution even working? The Maryland Crime Victims Resource Center says no.
You were the victim, and yet criminals are able to find ways to avoid the system and not paying what is due. So it re-victimizes the victim.
The courts, probation, parole, and even the state central collection unit try to get restitution payments.
Their collection rate from cases referred from parole and probation is 3%. That means that 3% is collected by them and 97% is uncollected.
The state says it is listening to crime victims.
What we heard was significant enough to say to us, we really need to take some action here. This has been a problem for decades.
In May, Governor Hogan signed a bill called the Justice Reinvestment Act. Part of the focus, restitution. One possibility, taking 25% of the funds earned by inmates and those on work release and making sure that money goes to pay back victims.
Inmate earnings is not a whole lot of money. I mean, it's not an hourly rate, but there is some compensation. But then that also helps the offender, because that way that's not accruing, and when they get out, they are that much further along.
In court, Larry Lawson apologized, offered $520, and asked for more time to repay the remaining $1,300. But the judge's patience had run out. Calling it a probation violation, Judge Emanuel Brown sentenced Lawson to 5 years and declared restitution uncollectible.
A lot of people told me that I would never see the money, and that's true.
The judge saying he is just as tired of this case as is crime victim George Johnson. For the 11 News I-Team, I'm Barry Sims.
Barry says the state is also looking at debt collection and child support enforcement as possible models for collecting restitution. A report for recommendations is due to the governor in December, with implementation next year.